Pack 29, 29, 29. Let's see, we got 5 times. Here we go. Randomize it up. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times. 5 times. And 78, 78. Good. Alright, let me grab that real quick. Pack 78. Alright, good stuff, good stuff. Let's see. Let me fix this real quick. Okay, Steve 1, Maddie 3, Chris 4, Bill Berg 2, Kimberly 1, 2, 3, 4, Maddie 2, Craig 2, Craig Staten 1, Scott 2, Roy 3, Matt 4, Joe Fink 2, and Craig P with 2. Alright, 5 times for 5 times. Here we go. Payson Colin B next to 32 NFL teams. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Roy F, you're on top. And Kimberly, you're on the bottom 5 times. Group you guys together. Bill Berg, Falcons, Raiders, Chris, Bears, Cowboys, Colts, Saints, Craig P, Panthers, Steelers, Bengals, Jets, Craig, Texans, Joe, Bills, Titans, Kimberly, Broncos, Lions, Vikes, Skins, Madeline, Browns, Packers, Rams, Dolphins, Giants, Matt, Ravens, Jags, Niners, Seahawks, Roy, Cardinals, Chargers, Bucks, Scott, Chiefs, Eagles, Steve G with the Patriots. Those Vikings hooking me up with them Vikings. Roy 3 full size. All right, here we go. 78, 78, 78. A lot of Bears stuff. It is a Dez Bryant patch auto. Authentic materials, 10 on it out of 25. 21 out of 25, 10 on the auto. Dez Bryant patch auto. Dez Bryant patch auto. Very good. Alright, Dez Bryant for the Cowboys. Patch auto going to Chris. Alright, Chris, there you go, man. Nice Dez Bryant. Rookie. That's a rookie patch auto. That's a rookie patch auto at a 25. Rookie patch auto. Alright, guys. 5 times for 5 times. Top spot, free spot into the bonus break. It's called the Dykings. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Maddie. Alright, Maddie, there you go. You got yourself a free spot, bonus break. 29. Very good, very good. Alright, premium jerseys up next. Stay tuned, guys. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break, guys. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Check out the Facebook group, links down below in the description, and our eBay store. Thanks.